Hey guys, I'm Nick Samari, Regional Sales Manager for RiverStone, and I'm here to tell you what the RiverStone line can do for you. Now the Legacy package starts out with an upgrade to your tires. You go from a Westlake to a Goodyear tire. 17.5-inch rims, 16-ply, H-rated tire. You're also going to get upgraded to disc brakes. Instead of a drum brake, you're going to go to a full disc brake system, electric over hydraulic. That really sets the foundation for the fifth wheel upgrade. Now you'll see it as a standalone option as well, and your largest price point piece of the Legacy package is your full body paint. It is Sikkens Automotive paint. It has a 4x clear coat with a double cut and buff. It is OEM automotive codes, so any paint shop in the country should be able to do any repairs when your husband hits that pole pulling out of the parking lot. Now for you extended stay campers out there, this has been a big thing you've been asking for, and that's why we included it in the Legacy package on all RiverStones this year that is available. So it is a full water manifold. Every item in the coach is labeled with a direct line from this manifold to its hot and cold water inlet. So inside of the underbelly of the unit, the only plumbing you have is a connection from your water heater and a connection from your water pump to this water manifold. It goes directly to the item inside the coach. You have a problem with a dishwasher, you have a problem with a bathroom sink, and you don't want to mess with it for a week or two because you're too busy with work, you can come down here, shut off the individual line, and deal with it when you have the time. If you ever have a problem, it should be at this connection or at the connection inside the unit because you don't have a bunch of T's in the underbelly. Now, one of the less talked about but really handy features of the Legacy package is this LCI Wastemaster system. You have a nice container for your hose, just for your sewer hose. Now on this hose, you've got a nice handle at the end, so you don't have to worry about stuff dripping out. As it extends out, the inside of this hose is all smooth walled, so you don't have to worry about stuff getting stuck in those ribs. And it's just a lot heavier duty hose. It's about 20 feet long. It's got a nice cam lock. This actually locks in on that ring instead of just screwing in like the old traditional ones. It's just a little nicer, a little handier for the job that none of us like to do. As we move inside the RiverStone, we're going to talk about the interior features of your Legacy package. Starting with the real ceramic tile backsplash in the kitchen. As we move throughout the unit, you are going to notice the flooring. It is hand-laid vinyl tile. It is still vinyl, but they're individually hand-laid tiles. As we move through the living room, you're going to see a Bose soundbar upgrade. So you have a premium sound upgrade in the living room. Then as we move into the bedroom, you are going to notice a folding chair setup. You have two folding chairs with the Legacy package that are located under the bed in all your floor plans except the garage models. They will be located behind the living room recliners. Moving into the bathroom of this unit, you will see in the closet a Dyson cordless vac. You're going to get that in place of your center vac in the Legacy models. That is everything that is included with your Legacy upgrade.